Who is ready to plant some dill seeds with me? It's almost May. It's going to be warming up. It looks like all our freezing is done with for the year. It should be. So yeah, it is safe to plant out dill. And they say that dill helps to repel the cucumber beetle, which is kind of crazy because cucumbers go all over, and if you trellis them, they get high, and the dill really, doesn't get close to them. And we generally don't get a lot of cucumber beetles till it's after cucumber season anyway, which is nice, like October or something. So when they come out in droves. But, dill is tasty in salads, and hey, it could help repel something else that might try to come to the cucumber. So I'm going to be planting dill all around. Give each one about a square foot of space. Yep, so I need to I'm gonna have to pull back all this mulch. Let's see, I need to set this cup on the other bed so I don't accidentally tip it over. Okay, and I should have my gloves on, but I wasn't thinking, but that's okay. I think I'll have it on the outside of this. Alright. La-di-da. There we go. So what I'm going to do is have lots of sticks in this mulch. Just poke a little hole like that. And I put 2 or 3 seeds in. Get her cup. Let's see. Can I get 2 or 3 seeds? Nope, I can't. Let's see. There we go. 2 seeds on my fingertip. Drop those in the hole like that. You see the seeds? And cover them just a little bit. Yep. Put the mulch back a little bit, but I don't want to totally bury them. Otherwise, they'll never see the light of day. Yep, this is how. Put another one here, right? Because this is 3 feet wide, so I could put three dill across. So that's what I'll do. I'll do 3 dill across. La-di-da. Let them like that. There we go. See, my fingertips get a little moist from messing around with the wet mulch. We had some more rain last night. El Nino is back in fine form. Has been most of this month. Alright, drop it in the hole. Bury it just a little bit. When you have small seeds like that, you just want to bury them a little bit. If you have teeny tiny seeds you can't hardly see, like oregano or thyme, alyssum, pretty much you just want to scatter them on the top of the soil. Because if you bury them, there's a good chance you'll accidentally put too much soil over them, and then they'll never germinate because they're too deep. Alright, another hole. I did that one with my finger. Let's get a couple more seeds. And you always want to plant 2 or 3 seeds. Even if they're even if you pretty much just bought them, the germination rate is usually not 100%. So, you plant them in, and if they do all germinate, well, let them grow a little bit, and then you pull out the extras. Alright, so that is how we plant dill, and why I'm planting dill here in this particular place. I'm going to keep on going. But in the meantime, you chill out and go do something with your garden. Check out my oregano that I just transplanted. Still looking good. Okay. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. If you want to get a consistent flow of vegetable gardening tips, make sure you subscribe if you have not done so yet. I will see you for the next video. In the meantime, take care and happy gardening.